Hello, my name is Andreas. I'm Product Manager for Ice Blasters at Karcher. Today I would like to present you the Ice Blaster IB15120. Dry ice blasting is an innovative cleaning technology. It is very similar to sandblasting. Instead of sand, ice blasters use dry ice pellets to do the cleaning. Dry ice is made of frozen CO2. It is minus 79 degrees Celsius cold and turns from solid directly into gas. It literally melts into the air. Due to that, no residue is left behind. Dry ice cleaning can be used in areas where normal cleaning methods are not applicable or prohibited. Due to the low temperature of minus 79 degrees, the dirt turns brittle and cracks. In this condition, the dirt can be easily removed by the dry ice particles. The IB15120 impresses with its fantastic cleaning performance. The specially optimized stream design makes the IB15120 one of the most powerful devices on the market. The Ice Blaster is extremely easy to use. The blast hose can be assembled in a flash thanks to the quick coupling. The safety ring prevents the hose from accidentally loosening. With the nozzle case, all nozzles are always ready to hand. Due to the parking position of the blasting gun, the nozzles can be mounted very easily. The adjustment of the blasting parameters, such as pressure and feed rate of dry ice, is very simple. The settings are easy to read on the large display. If needed, the settings can be locked by the supervisor. 3 things are required to operate the Ice Blaster: an external compressed air supply, 3 mm dry ice pellets, and a regular single-phase socket. In order to guarantee economical use in all situations, we provide a wide range of nozzles and accessories. With the advanced blasting gun, for example, the pressure and the dry ice feed can be set directly during operation. In addition, the gun is very compact and therefore ideal for working in narrow areas. The nozzle lighting is indispensable when working in dark areas. Depending on the application, there are a range of different round or flat jet nozzles, extensions or angled nozzles. The so-called scrambler reduces the 3 mm pellets to fine particles. This means that even extremely sensitive surfaces can be cleaned gently. Once the work is completed, the dry ice container can be emptied at the push of a button. The hose can be hung over the push handle so that it is always stored away. Due to the handles at the front and rear of the machine, the IB15120 is very easy to load and transport. Ergonomic operation, great mobility and the robust design, as well as the best and most reliable cleaning performance. That is the IB15120.